How to break soul ties that keep you stuck. When love starts to feel suffocating, chaotic, and it disrupts your peace, it's time to break the soul tie. Some connections aren't meant to last forever, their purpose is meant to wake you up. A soul tie isn't just a memory, it's an energetic thread that binds you to a version of yourself that no longer exists. That's why sometimes you find it hard to move on, even when you know you should. You're not addicted to the person, you're addicted to the energy you once shared together. I've learned that some bonds aren't love, they're lessons wrapped in chemistry. When a soul tie becomes toxic, it starts draining your spirit, confusing your intuition, and clouding your discernment. Breaking a soul tie isn't about hating someone, it's about reclaiming your power. You can start with prayer or setting intentions by saying this out loud: I release all energy that is not mine. I release it with love and send it back to the light. Then do the work, unfollow, detach, and block them from accessing your energy. This also means stop revisiting the past through messages and memories. Spiritual detachment requires consistency, not closure. You will know when the tie is breaking when you stop needing answers, when their name no longer stirs emotion or memories, and when peace finally replaces longing for closure. That's the power of release. It restores what pain once held hostage. Every tear you cried is a cleansing ritual for the soul. Freedom isn't found in holding on, it's in letting go. God says you can't receive the next if you're still clinging to the last. So you must breathe, forgive, bless them, and move forward with grace. Thanks for watching. May God be with you.